Day 3 of the Kayvon Ward trial wrapping up today. He's charged with killing Hot Springs police officer Brent Scrimshire. And today, Ward himself taking the stand in his own defense. Andrew Epperson in the courtroom since the trial got underway. Andrew, Ward laying out a defense, not denying he fired the shot that killed the officer.
We heard from several important witnesses during Kayvon Ward's trial today, but certainly the most important, Kayvon Ward himself. Now, to many questions, Ward simply answered, "I don't remember," but we did gain some insight into what happened in that 2020 shooting. First, he acknowledged shooting and killing Officer Brent Scrimshire in that shooting, which happened after a chase following a traffic stop, but he says he was shot first, saying, quote, "When I got shot, that's when I pulled the gun out," end quote. Ward says he shot at officers hoping to buy more time to run. Now, prosecutors pointed out dash cam audio reveals Scrimshire screaming in pain after the first shot, and that played several times in court. Now, when asked if he felt remorse, Ward said, quote, "I would never wish this on anybody. I've been on their end multiple times," end quote. And we also heard from the psychologist who diagnosed Ward with schizophrenia, doing so the Friday before the trial started. Now, Ward's attorneys also called Zach Barnett to the stand. Zach was a friend of Ward's who Ward shot back in 2019. Barnett testified that the shooting basically came out of nowhere, nothing prompted it, and the prosecutors say that this is likely the reason why he ended up running after the shooting in 2020, saying that there was a warrant out for his arrest and he was worried he would be arrested. Now, this trial's not over. It'll likely continue for the rest of this week, and we will be out here at the courthouse both mornings if that's what it comes to. Live in Hot Springs, Andrew Epperson, KARK 4 News.